Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can check an app storage usage or space used on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then in the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Next, in here, we scroll down and then tap on apps. Next, go down the list of apps and select an app that you would like to edit. So I'm going to tap on Adobe Acrobat. Next, we scroll down and then tap on storage. Then here is the space used by the app. For the app itself, it uses 184 megabytes. For data, it uses 115 megabytes of data. And it uses the cache memory of 2.48 megabyte. At the bottom here is the clear data button. You can tap on the clear data button to delete any data related to the app. Be careful when you are clearing the data because it will cause you to lose some, the app data. So let's say if you are playing a game, that game stores some information on the level that you're up to. So, you're up to level 10, level 20. And if you clear the data, everything will be wiped out for the app and you might need to start the game's data again. For clearing cache, most of the time it should be okay. Clearing cache will be basically clearing the temporary memory on your device. So when you click on clear cache, it would not cause you to lose any data from the app. You still be able to access all the safe memory or the data from the app. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.